Welcome back to our series. So today we'll be continuing with Microsoft Excel, MS Excel, which is data analysis on our IGCSE ICT syllabus, chapter 21 on our syllabus. So today we're going to be looking at ranges. So last time we looked at cells. We said cells are an intersection of a column and a row. An intersection of a column and a row. We said cells have names, which we call cell addresses. So this cell is E6, so the cell address is E6, or the name of this cell is E6. So we name a cell by the column, then the row. So it's the column letter and the row. So that's how we name cells. So today we are going to be looking at ranges. A range is just a group of cells selected together. Range is a group of cells selected together. So if I select these cells, this is a range. If I select cells like this is also a range. So if I select, okay, even these two cells, that's also a range. So ranges also have their names. So we can name ranges using the first cell that we've selected. In this case, it's D4. So it's column D, row 4. So it's D4. And then we place a colon, and then the last cell that we've selected here, okay, maybe let's select again D4, then the last one here is H17. So the name of this range is D4 colon H17. D4 colon H17. We can also give a range a special name. So okay, let's select D4 to, okay, maybe I can just click here on D4, hold the shift key, go to H17, here is 17 and here is H. When I hold the shift key and then click here, then that's another way of making a selection on Excel. That's the easiest way of making a selection on Excel. So I can rename this range here. Okay, I right click this range using my mouse, right click using my mouse, and then I will click define name. Okay, maybe let's call it, okay, let's call it let's say tutorial. Call this range tutorial. Okay, so you can click OK. As you can see up here, now the name of this range is now called tutorial. So this range, whenever I select D4 to H17, D4 to, whenever I select H4 to, okay, when I click, let's click here, yeah, it's actually D3, so it's D3 to H17. So tutorial will appear because I've named this range as tutorial. Okay, it so happens that you are asked to name a cell. For example, okay, let me undo this. Okay, so no more tutorial here. So it happens that I'm naming a range. Okay, I will define a name here, and then when I define a name, I give it a name. Maybe I type the wrong spelling. Let's say I was supposed to type tutorial and then I type tutor by mistake. Then I click OK. So I want maybe to rename this range. Okay, you see here there is now tutorial and also tutor. So how do I actually manage these names? So for me to manage these ranges, so I have to go to my menu up here. So I will click formulas, and then click name manager. So here are my named ranges. So if I can maybe add another name, another range here, give it another name. Okay, let's say define name, another. Okay, maybe let's say just give it a name, another. Okay, if I go to name manager, you can see that these are my named ranges. So if maybe I've selected the wrong range or I have a problem with them, I can simply delete. And click OK. Okay, so I've deleted this name range here. Okay, maybe this one I want to change. This one, can click edit, so I can edit it just to make sure. Okay, let me select the right cells. I wanted to select maybe D4, from D4 to H17 yeah. So now it's D4 to H17, and it's supposed to be, the name is supposed to be tutorial. Then I click OK. So I've now managed to rename my range. So that's how we create a name or a range and give it a name. So if maybe you made a mistake, then you go to formulas, then go to name manager, and then maybe you can edit it or delete it if it is not needed. So that's how we deal with name ranges in Excel. See you next time. Don't forget to click the subscribe button on this video, at the end of this video, or click the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload maybe the next video. Thank you very much. See you next time.